This is one of the things that I would highly recommend any new real estate investor do to help mitigate the risk of failure on your first few deals. It is called a as-is complete appraisal. This is when you would say buy a property or have a property under contract, and before you remove conditions and make it go firm, you would hire a third-party real estate appraiser. You would ask this appraiser to go out and appraise the property as if it was already completed. This will mitigate a ton of risk. It's either going to prove that yes, this deal is amazing and go for it, right? Or number two, it's going to tell you don't firm up on this deal. This is a horrible deal. And this is the universal truth. If it's worked for us, it'll work for you. Now, if you like this tip, make sure that you follow, like, and subscribe, share it with your friends. And don't forget, for every new follower, we are donating $1 to Operation Underground Railroad to help put an end to child trafficking. Let's take 0 to 100 level of action.